Hey guys, John Howell here from tradinginvestingforyou.com. Quick update of what's happening in the markets right now. I think this is really important for me to show you what's going on right now so you just understand what's going on right now. Anything I do say in this video is obviously general advice. It doesn't mean that this is going to happen. It just means that this pattern and what I'm seeing right now has got a good chance of it going in the direction where I think it's going to go. But obviously make sure you do your own analysis, make sure you do your own homework, and make sure that you absolutely 100% confirm with any trade that you do and you understand the risk before trading. Okay, moving on now, we're looking at the S&P 500. And one thing I've noticed right here, real big, real clear, is a pattern. But first, let's look at the weekly chart. Let's go over here, click on weekly. Let me open up this chart right up so we can see it. And as we can see, weekly we're basically at blue skies right now. If I go over to monthly, bring on the monthly chart, and as we can see on monthly, we're in blue skies right now, a blue sky right now. Okay. Now, if we look at the monthly chart, what does this look like up here right now? On the monthly chart, it looks like what? It looks like a double top, right? One top and two top. Okay, fantastic. Now, also on the monthly chart, let me actually show you something. This is very apparent on the monthly chart and the weekly chart. As you know, the market doesn't just keep going up, 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 and up, and up. It has pauses, it has reversals, it has a breathing space, right? So what will happen is the market will run, okay? The market will run and then turn, run and then turn and then run, okay? Then what we'll do is we'll get maybe a bit of a different color. And we see here, right, the market will run up for a while and then turn and then run up for a while, then turn, run, breathe, and then run, right? So because we've seen that, look at this here. Moving up the chart right now and moving forward, what do we see right now? We see that the market has indeed gone for a big run. Run up, hit once, run up, hit twice, right? So we're actually due for a pullback. Let's move over to the weekly chart now. And I sound like somewhat, is it Spanish? No, not Spanish. Now we're going to move over to the chart now. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at the weekly charts, and we're going to look at the monthly charts. I sound like, what nationality is that? Is that European or something like that? I don't know. Leave a comment below and let me know what sort of nationality is that. So now we're going to look at the weekly charts, and now, okay, back to the charts. So looking at this chart right now, we're looking at that weekly chart. This market has had a nice run up, and it's just pausing through here right now. Okay, let's say right now. How many times am I going to say now in this video? One top, two top, and it's pausing. Okay, that's the interesting thing. Now the thing I see about this is paused. Possible double top on the monthly, possible double top on the weekly, and it's really starting to struggle. But here's the thing I want you to keep an eye on for. Okay, if we just move here and we just draw a trend line from there to there, oh goodness, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw the lows at the bottom, and as we can see, if we just kind of keep jiggling that trend line around to make sure it fits properly, okay, jiggling around, jiggle, and there we go. Look at that. Now let me show you something here that's quite interesting. One, we come down and bounce off this weekly. Look at this, came down, bounced off once, and let me jiggle it around so it makes me look even better. Alright, come on, get there. Alright, so there to there, and there, okay? So essentially what's happened is we came down and we bounced off this level, and then we bounced off this level, and then we bounced off this level, and then we bounced off that level as well too. On the what? On the weekly chart, right? On the weekly chart over here. So what does that tell you? It tells you that that level there is quite significant in the eyes of the market, right? So if we start to break below this level here, then down and down and down we're likely to go to at least, I would say, down here, down this level through here around the 1648, 1644, that level through there, maybe even 1652, up this whole level through here where we are right now. I believe we're likely to get a run down towards that level all through there. Okay, so that's looking on the weekly chart. Now moving on the daily chart, we can actually see that we are getting a reversal formation. Let me just fix that up a bit more. Look at that. Okay, absolutely beautiful head and shoulder formation. Look at it. We have a nice little left head. We have a left shoulder, head, now right shoulder. What do you think is likely to happen if we break below this level through here? What? Now let me ask you another question. What is this line through here? Let me get a different color here. What is this line here? This was the weekly chart, right? Remember on the weekly chart, this was the bounce, that was the bounce, that was the bounce, and so on and so forth, right? On the weekly chart. So, the weekly chart, breaking below, head and shoulder formation, where do you think this market's likely to go? Down, down, and down we are likely to go if we start to break that head and shoulder formation. I just wanted to bring that out to you and show you what's happening right now, show you where this market's likely to go, and show you that, hey, this is what's happening in the market as we speak right now. So keep an eye out for that. This is very, very, very bearish signs. Did you notice that I didn't even look at one indicator? Because price action is king. And once you learn how to read price action, then most of the hard work is done for you. Head on down to tradinginvestingforyou.com where you can find more information and learn more about how to read price action. John Howley from tradinginvestingforyou.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. Leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are about what's happening right now in the market.